So you and I know each other for some years,
Yes.
Joe.
Mhm.
Too many.
Yes, too many.
But I've always remembered the statement that you said some time ago, James, I'd rather do a business return over a 1040 if I have a choice.
Yes.
Why do you feel that way?
Well, because for business returns, you have to do a balance sheet and an income statement, and you usually have good records for it. The good records are either provided by the client who uses their own software, such as QuickBooks or Sage or whatever they use to prepare their own financials, or they give you good books and records. And many people don't know this, but the balance sheet has to tie to the income statement. And both of those are needed in order to prepare those business tax returns. And therefore, you know if you're quote unquote correct on the return. So they're not necessarily easier to do, but you know your end product is right. Whereas the individual 1040, there's so many moving pieces and schedules and things that can be added, subtracted on the return that you never really actually know if you have 100% of what is needed for the actual return. They did a survey years ago. They always give tax returns to a bunch of preparers, and then they see what the results are, and then you end up with 100 different tax returns for the same client. And that's what it's like for doing an individual return.
It's like a Wild West.
It's kind of a Wild West because there's a lot of interpretive thought into what goes to an individual tax
And you're
return.
not dealing with their personal financial statements to reconcile what they're providing you to put on the tax return